Friends, today we have a unboxing. All these packages that we are going to unbox, and these have been online arbitrage that I've been doing, and a package for my friend Lissette is in here too. So I want to show you what some items that have been picked up, and the source are whatnot, Thredup, and of course you always can reach friends and family that live in other areas that you are not, and buy some items from them. Let me open them and then we are going to see what is inside, and some of them actually I don't remember. Okay, the first item is Thredup, and they come in with 2 cards, which is amazing, and this is something that we should be doing. Sometimes some of us put a little bit of effort in sending those packages to our clients, but we don't have hundreds or thousands of items shipped out, right? So the first one was this. I'm going to show you. This is a Spencer Alexis in the size 3X. I already sold one of these in eBay, and I'm going to leave it in here which one was. So this is exciting kimono, and some of the keywords that I'm going to use, it will be patchwork, kimono, duster. Even though it's not long, but some people are using that keyword for buying some items like this. It happened to me and the previous item similar to this. The other one was a lot more pretty because it has some animal print and pink. For me it was pretty. If it was my size, probably I would wear it. So really pretty item. This one was a buy and whatnot. This reseller is for Killing, Texas. She was getting them for really cheap, but check it out. That's a good, way you had to put them. Yeah, we got the receipt, as you know. Woo! We got some receipts and some, let me see what it is. So cute stickers and a thank you card. There we go. For the total of $13 plus the shipping, there was $7. It's a new buyer, so always be on the lookout for these, new resellers in every platform, because you never know. So the first item is this Lissette. This is Lily Pulitzer, and the size 2XS. So I wasn't that excited to buying this one, but it was really cheap, and it was just a little tiny staying in there that I need to take it out. I probably will be able to take it out, but this is a leggings, really pretty. Lissette is the athletic Lily Pulitzer items that they have, and they have a 50 PF. Exciting for this one. And that's the first one. The second one was this, let me see, it was this Lululemon bra, as you can see in there. This is a size, really pretty color though, really exciting for this one. This is the size 34B, royal blue, and really good condition actually. So yeah, exciting for that one. So this could be a really cool outfit in there. The other one was this is a jean shark bra, which is so cool. So I get this one for me because it was extra large. So is this jean shark open back in here, extra large. That's the jean shark in there. I do not like this. This is not good. As you can see in here, it looks like it have been washed many times, but this is a Lily Pulitzer size medium. So I definitely do not like this. Really bad. And have some stains in here. Yeah, don't like that one. So she was selling these Wonder Under leggings. So really bad peeling in here. Lululemon in there. And it's not bad. It's like I probably can sell it for $25 and it would be a really good profit still. Bad, really bad. See? And there, I don't know, if I was wearing this, I probably will not pay not even $25. We will see. I will let you know. You will going to see the what sells in case they're selling in the weekend. And the other one is Lululemon, as you can see in there. So this is a tank top, stripes, size small to extra small. So in total was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So it was 6 items. Okay, so it was 13 plus 760, 20 divided 6 items. So the price, it was $3.43. So not bad. Some of those items I'm probably going to put in action. This Wonder Under leggings will be one of them. This Lily Pulitzer will be another one of them. And this tank top for $3.46. Not bad. But if the person bought it at the Beans, this was a really good deal, right? It is what it is. You never know. You expect all the sellers have good integrity, but not all of them. The other items I bought, this was for my friend Regina. See how pretty and the difference in the packaging. You can tell that she does care for the customers, especially that she's very sweet and she's so good. You will like her whatnot shows. And yeah, so and we got an extra gift. Does she amazing? How cute this is. Thank you, Regina, if you're watching this video. That was amazing. So the first item that we are going to open, let me see. Really pretty packaging with the thank you sticker in there. So the first item that we are opening is this. These are bought for me, and we will see this is Talbots and the size large. As you can see in here, I love Talbots. This is a cotton rayon, so that's the fabric that I can use. I cannot use wool, I cannot use cashmere. I am allergic to the luxury stuff because I get so itchy around. So pretty, look. This is a cardigan in the size large. Good addition to my store and closet. So exciting for that one. I paid $11 for both plus the shipping, so it's always good to help out some resellers, and some items can sell really good. This is a definitely a good brand. This is Holding Horses and the size is small, and this is 100% lining. So really exciting item. This tunic open side. Somebody that wear small, you will be really happy with these items. And the last one that we're going to open, let me show you. So Lissette is always put this amazing effort in the packages that she sent, which I love. She said that she didn't put this time a lot of effort, but check it out. See, it's like a oxcycle, you know, it's like a oxcycle store sent it, which is amazing. So first of all, we get a thank you for your order, a thank you sticker, And of course, my car. I always enjoy to have the car for her. They say, you got this. You got this. Poly mailers. You know, I don't bind them, but I definitely enjoy these beautiful poly mailers. So yeah, it's exciting. The first item that we are seeing, this is a pretty and amazing tunic. This is GGL in the size large. This is a pretty tunic. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I think I can wear it as well. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is on Clark. See how pretty she packaged everything. I definitely would recommend that you check her out. Don't these are pretty? Those are pretty Clarks. This is a rails in the size large as well, as you can see in there. And it's this button down shirt. Really cool. I will say I will put some keywords in there before I can move it. So, ooh, this is exciting. Free people. So free people in the size 4. My phone went full, so that's how I record these videos. But I'm going to show you what else she sent me. And this is Fraser Lawrence and the size 2X. This is a really cool vintage item. This is like Chico's Travelers. Really exciting. This is the other one. This is Charter Club and the size 10P. This is corduroy pants, a straight leg. This is the Lexington one. I'm going to check it out. About this one, no experience to selling this brand. This is a pretty polka dot and the size 2X, and the Thomas and Olivia. Really pretty item. This is a tunic plus. Then we got this International Concepts size extra large, really exciting sweater. And yeah, I think that will be a really addition to my closet. I never hear about that brand. This is the Dupansis. This is like a hoodie in the size large. We will check it out about this one. And there we go. This is the exciting item. And this is the dance school. And it looks like almost J2K style, as you can see in there. Really exciting for this one. And we got some bikini. This is the size 11. Really exciting item in here. And we got some slipperies. This is Lauren Conrad. Let me see, LC Lauren Conrad. As you can see in there, all this was packaged it really good. So this is the other item. This is the Lauren Ralph Lauren, which is in the size 6 and really good. If you're still here, thank you, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings, bye.